You might have heard of the Y2K bug. It was a massive technical concern that kept the financial world on edge as the millennium approached. Y2K stands for year 2000, referring to a specific programming shortcut that caused panic in global computer systems. Older systems only tracked years using 2 digits. Developers feared that when the clock hit 2000, computers would think the year was 1900. If a computer misread the year, it could break interest calculations, disrupt stock trades, or even trigger failures in critical infrastructure like power grids. While people feared total collapse, the reality was much quieter thanks to massive industry efforts to patch and test code beforehand. Governments and businesses spent billions of dollars updating software. This proactive investment prevented a major financial disruption on January 1, 2000. Often, the most successful risk management looks like nothing happened at all, because the problem was solved before it could start. Understanding how systems rely on data helps us grasp modern financial stability. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.